તારીખ 19/1/2025 રવિવારના રોજ સવારે 10 વાગ્યે ડીએફએલ ડોક્ટર ફન લીગ સિઝન 8મી ક્રિકેટ ટૂર્નામેન્ટનું કાનેટી સેલા ખાતે ઓપનિંગ કરવામાં આવ્યું હતું. આ ક્રિકેટ ટૂર્નામેન્ટમાં ટોટલ 8 ટીમોએ ભાગ લીધો હતો. આ ક્રિકેટ ટૂર્નામેન્ટના આયોજક ડોક્ટર મુન્નાભાઈ શેખ, એબીસી ટ્રસ્ટ પ્રમુખ ડોક્ટર નિઝામ સૈયદ, ડીએફએલ કમિટી દ્વારા થયું હતું. વિડીયો ગમે તો પ્લીઝ લાઇક કરો, શેર કરો અને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો.
तो वाइट के गिनने के सर 3 4 तो 5 तो गिनने के 36 रन એટલે 50 है आओ 36 બાકી તું પોણી લઈને જતો રહેજો ભાઈ ઓવર પછી જાવ હાય જતો રહેજે
Hello, Dr. Shakil Wadalia here. Today is the beginning of DFL 8 Doctors Fun League Season 8. We have been together from Season 1. We as a team and all the players are very thankful to Dr. Munnabhai sir, ABC Trust to organize such a beautiful tournament, and Dr. Nizam sir, who is the backbone behind everything which is going on here, from food to management to clothing of the all the players, bringing them from the overseas other cities and organizing such a beautiful event. Hats off to their hard work, their all the sacrifices and their selfless deed which brings community and people together. Thank you so much, Nizam bhai and Munna bhai.
Thank you so much, Shakil sir. I would like to appreciate your words belongs us, and I would like to thank you as well. You have been supporting us since we have started the first season, I think 5 years ago, and without your support and without your all support, we wouldn't be able to manage such beautiful events. And this time as well, Shakil sir has established two very infrastructure and beautiful hospitals. He himself is a pediatrician. He has a Ahmedabad Children Hospital situated in Paldi, and one the new setup is around Vishala at the city gate, and we would like to give them best wishes for the upcoming new ventures, and we pray to Allah that he keeps growing like he usually does. Thank you so much. Thank you.